Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
In a few minutes, you'll have access to high-quality, over-the-shoulder instructional video content you can use to teach or sell, or to keep your members subscribed to your video membership or learning center, and so that you can be positioned as an educator in your niche, with no work at all on your part. What is the title and the topic? The New Marketer Workshop. Now this volume stands on its own as a product, but also fits in to our 52-week live workshop PLR. It comes with everything you need to market yourself and the course. High-quality, step-by-step, on-screen, over-the-shoulder instructional tutorial videos, the machine video transcripts, sales material, source files, and sales graphics, and a super high-value limited-time bonus with 30 minutes of instructional MP4 videos. This bonus course comes with videos, marketing pages, and graphics to rebrand and position the course. Now, if you listen this far, you already know the value of solid video instruction created by a veteran trainer and internet marketer. Let's briefly review what you're getting. High-quality over-the-shoulder MP4 videos, companion MP3 audios, full video transcripts, sales pages and sales videos, e-covers and sales graphics, lead magnet page, lead magnet video. We sell rights to high-quality live PLR videos with sales pages, source files, and sales materials. Hit the Buy Now button. Start downloading and using your content. Hit the Buy Now button.